Jah guide me through the night. Oh, hey. I've been walking through the rain. Oh yeah, yeah. I've been walking through the rain, carrying a heart full of pain. Still I know the sun will shine. Every broken day can heal with time. When the road is steep and long, give me courage, keep me strong. Plant your peace inside my soul. Touch my life and make me whole. Heal me, heal me. Wash away the weight upon me. Lead me, lead me. Let your light shine down and free me. When my faith is getting weary, stay beside me, ever near me. Heal me with your everlasting love. There are lessons in the scars. There is hope beneath the stars. Every morning brings a chance to rise again and join the dance. I forgive and let things go. Like a river, let love flow. No more fear will rule my mind. I leave the darkest days behind. Heal me, heal me. Wash away the weight upon me. Let your light shine down and free me. When my faith is getting weary, stay beside me, ever near me. Heal me with your everlasting love. Heal every family, heal every nation. Fill every heart with peace and compassion. Where there is anger, let understanding grow. Where there is sadness, let a new joy flow. Everlasting love. Oh, heal me. Give me strength for another day. Oh, lead me. Let your love show me the way. Heal me, heal me. Make my spirit whole. Stand firm, know your worth. Independent. Oh, na, 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 na. Yeah. I used to wait, I used to wait for somebody's hand till I learned how to rise and stand. I built my courage from lessons and pain. Found my sunshine after the rain. No borrowed vision, no copied road. I carry my purpose and carry my load. Grateful for help, but I understand the strength to begin was always in my hands. Independent, standing on my feet, turning every struggle into victory. Independent, working for my dreams. Life may be harder than it sometimes seems. I respect everybody, but I know who I am. Strong in my spirit with a future to plan. Independent, confident and free, becoming everything I was born to be. Yeah. To measure my name, or empty applause and a moment of fame. True independence is wisdom inside, choosing what is right without losing your pride. I learn from the elders and listen with care, but I won't let fear keep me trapped anywhere. Every small step and each honest choice gives greater power to my inner voice. Independent, standing on my feet, turning every struggle into victory. Working for my dreams. Life may be harder than it sometimes seems. I respect everybody, but I know who I am. Strong in my spirit with a future to plan. Independent, confident and free, becoming everything I was born to be. Independence doesn't mean standing alone. We all need love and a place called home. It means knowing your values and guarding your way, planting good seeds for a brighter day. Help when you can and receive when you need, but never let another control what you believe. I can think for myself, I can build for myself, I can speak for myself, while respecting everyone else. No chain on my vision, no fear in my mind, leaving every limitation behind. Independent, standing strong and tall. If one road closes, I'll answer another call. Independent, faithful to my dream, moving with patience like a powerful stream. I respect everybody, but I know who I am. Building tomorrow according to plan. Independent, confident and free, becoming everything I was born to be. Independent, mind awake and spirit strong. Forward ever, keep moving on. Independent, oh da 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 da. Independent. Yeah. Oh, lift your eyes, feel the breeze. Yeah. Looking at the mountains, looking at the mountains. Oh, looking at the mountains in the morning light, standing there so peaceful, reaching to the sky. They have seen the seasons, they have watched the years teaching every traveler to let go of fear. Every river flowing starts from somewhere high. Every eagle soaring first believed it could fly. Nature keeps reminding me with every rising dawn. Even after darkness, hope keeps carrying on. Hear the whispering wind, peace begins within. Every step we climb, one day at a time. Looking at the mountains, I can feel my spirit rise. Every peak reminds me there's a blessing in the skies. Looking at the mountains, I can see tomorrow clear. With love beside my journey, there's no room for fear. The valley has its stories, the hillside has its song. Every winding pathway has been there all along. The tallest trees are rooted deep beneath the ground. Strength is often growing where it's rarely found. Clouds may hide the summit for a little while, but the sun keeps waiting with the golden smile. Patience is the lesson every mountain gives. Take each day with gratitude and truly live. When the rain comes down, don't wear a heavy frown. Every storm will pass like shadows on the grass. Lift your voice and sing. Hope is everything. Hand in hand we'll be living peacefully. Yeah. Looking at the mountains, my heart is full of song. Every new beginning makes my spirit strong. Looking at the mountains, I know the road is bright. One love will guide us onward with every morning light. Looking at the mountains, one love, one hope. God bless every sunrise. Yeah, yeah. Roots reggae music, hard work and honest living. Listen now. Yeah. Girl, na 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 na. Hey. Early in the morning when the rooster calls, I put on my shoes and walk beyond the walls. Working for my future underneath the sun. I know every blessing starts when work is done. Yesterday was heavy, but I never complained. I planted little seeds through the wind and rain. Now the tree is growing and the fruit is sweet. There's food upon the table and shoes upon my feet. Money in my pocket, peace inside my soul. I the one that lives free. Some will chase the money till they lose their way, trading all their happiness for what they cannot save. But gold cannot comfort you when your spirit cries, and wealth cannot replace the truth behind your eyes. So I share what I have with the people in need, for kindness is the greatest and most valuable seed. A little may be plenty when the heart is satisfied. Real treasure lives in people standing by your side. Money in my pocket, peace inside my soul. I don't need a fortune just to make me whole. Money in my pocket, earned by my own hands, building up tomorrow with an honest plan. Money in my pocket, but love is still the key, because the richest heart is the one that lives free. Save a little, share a little, keep your purpose strong. Walk the road with gratitude and never do nobody wrong. Money comes and money goes like rivers to the sea, but wisdom, love, and dignity will build your legacy. Is the one that lives free. Money in my pocket, peace inside my soul. Honest work, one love that is richer than gold. Yeah, richer than gold. Yeah, yeah. Roots reggae vibration. Hear me now, monkey man. Monkey man wake when the morning sun rise. Big bright smile and a fire in his eyes. He walks through the town with a confident swing. No gold in his pocket, but he feels like a king. People keep talking, but he pays them no mind. He carries good laughter and a heart that is kind. When trouble comes knocking, he knows what to do. Climbs above the confusion for a clearer view. Monkey man, swinging through the town. When the world gets heavy, you don't let it bring you down. Monkey man, dancing in the rain. You turn every little problem into laughter once again. Oh, monkey man, teach us if you can how to live a simple life and still be a happy man. says, why chase money till your spirit runs dry? You can own the whole earth, but you cannot own the sky. He shares his last mango with a child by the road. Then he lifts up a stranger carrying a heavy load. The rich man laughs loudly, says you're wasting your days. But Monkey Man answers in his peaceful way. You may sleep in a mansion behind a golden door, but if love is not inside it, tell me what is it for? He doesn't need a crown or a diamond ring. Freedom in his heart makes him richer than a king. Oh, Monkey Man, Monkey Man, swinging through the town. When the world gets heavy, you don't let it bring you down. Oh, Monkey Man, Monkey Man, dancing in the rain. You turn every little problem into laughter once again. Oh, Monkey Man, teach us if you can how to live a simple life and still be a happy man. One day the mayor came with promises and lies. Monkey Man could see the hunger hiding in his eyes. He said, don't sell the people dreams you'll never make come true. The power that you're holding does not belong to you. The crowd grew silent and the people raised their voice. For Monkey Man reminded them that freedom is a choice. Truth needs no uniform, no title and no name. Sometimes the wisest person is the one they call insane. Climb above the hatred, swing beyond the greed. Plant a little kindness, give the people what they need. Dance beneath the moonlight, sing beneath the sun. Life is not a battle when your heart is beating one. Monkey Man said, easy now, don't let Babylon tell you how. Hold your head, I know your worth. Every soul has room on earth. Monkey Man laugh, Monkey Man sing. Love is the only lasting thing. No heavy chain, no wicked plan can steal the joy from Monkey Man. Monkey Man, Monkey Man, swinging through the town. When the world gets heavy, you don't let it bring you down. Oh, Monkey Man, dancing in the rain. You turn every little problem into laughter once again. Oh, Monkey Man, now we understand. A simple heart full of love makes a truly wealthy man. Monkey Man, keep on moving. Monkey Man, keep on smiling. Monkey Man, no chains upon your spirit, no fear inside your heart. Roots reggae forever. Oh, no. Yeah, roots and culture. Open your eyes and know your worth. I'm no fool, no, no. Hey, hey, hey. No, 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 no. Yeah. You come with a smile and a sweet disguise, but truth has a way of revealing the lies. You promise the moon while you hide the light, thinking nobody can see through the night. I listened in silence and studied your game. Now every excuse is sounding the same. Wisdom awakened and showed me the rule. A peaceful heart but you cannot deceive me. I'm nobody's fool. I gave you respect, but you wanted control. Tried to plant confusion inside of my soul. You took my patience for weakness and fear, but quiet observation made everything clear. I don't need revenge and I don't need a fight. I simply walk away and keep living right. I learned from the fire and came out renewed, stronger in spirit with nothing to prove. I'm no fool, you can't play with my mind. You cannot deceive me. I'm nobody's fool. A gentle soul can still know when to leave. A loving heart doesn't have to believe every empty promise or beautiful sound. Truth grows quietly beneath the ground. Respect my boundaries, respect my name. I won't be another piece in your game. Nobody's fool. Nobody's fool. Wisdom and truth will forever rule. Peace in my heart, but my eyes stay open. I'm no fool. For mercy, teach us to forgive, teach us how to live, yeah, yeah. I have walked along the wrong road, made mistakes and carried the load. I spoke too fast and listened too late. Now I'm standing at forgiveness's gate. I cannot turn back yesterday, but I can choose a better way. With an honest heart, I call your name. I'm ready now to make a change. Pardon me, for the person I forgot to be. Set me free, set me free. Let forgiveness bring back unity. I will learn from every wrong. I will rise wiser and strong. Pardon me, let the healing start with me. Pride can build a wall so high, keeping love and truth outside. But one kind word can open doors and bring two hearts to peace once more. I lay down anger, fear and blame. I will not keep feeding the flame. If mercy is the seed we sow, a field of understanding grows. Pardon me, for the person I forgot to be. Set me free, set me free. Let forgiveness bring back unity. I will learn from every wrong. I will rise wiser and strong. Pardon me, let the healing start with me. Pardon the brother who lost his way. Pardon the sister who made mistakes. Justice and mercy can walk as one, repairing the damage that has been done. No one is perfect beneath the sun. Change can begin with everyone. Say I forgive, but remember the lesson. Choose peace and truth in every direction. Step by step, let compassion lead. Love is the answer the whole world needs. Oh, pardon me, for the person I forgot to be. Set me free, set me free. Let forgiveness bring back unity. I will learn from every wrong. I will rise wiser and strong. Pardon me, let the healing start with me. Oh, pardon. Let mercy flow like the river. Oh, pardon. Let peace remain forever. A brighter world can surely be when the healing starts with me. Oh. Hear the drum beat, feel the vibration. A change is coming, a peaceful revolution. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The people are waking with truth in their eyes, no longer believing every promise and lie. From the heart of the village to the city street, a message of justice rise the reggae beat. We don't need hatred, we don't need war. Love is the power that we're fighting for. With wisdom and courage, together we stand, building a future with our own hands. Revolution, let the truth be heard. Revolution, give the people their word. Revolution, peace across the land, every tribe and nation joining hand in hand. Revolution, let the children be free to grow with hope and dignity. This is a movement of love and unity, a peaceful revolution for humanity. Too many families are struggling for bread, while those in the towers look away instead. But every human spirit deserves a chance, a seat at the table, and a place in the dance. Education and justice must open the door, so poverty and fear cannot rule anymore. When neighbors help neighbors and communities rise, a better tomorrow appears before our eyes. Revolution, let the truth be heard. Revolution, give the people their word. Revolution, peace across the land, every tribe and nation joining hand in hand. A revolution, let the children be free to grow with hope and dignity. This is a movement of love and unity, a peaceful revolution for humanity. No stone in the hand, no hate in the heart. Change begins when compassion starts. Speak with courage, walk in peace. Let division and injustice cease. One voice may tremble, but millions are strong. Together we can right what has been wrong. Revolution, hear the freedom sound. Revolution, hope is rising from the ground. Revolution, justice for us all. United we stand and together we won't fall. Revolution, let the children believe in every good future that they can achieve. This is a movement of love and unity, a peaceful revolution for humanity. A revolution, not with hatred, but with love. Revolution, not with violence, but with truth. One people, one future, one peaceful revolution. See it my way. Just listen for a moment. Roots reggae music. Just listen for a moment. Roots reggae music. You see me smiling, think my road is smooth, but you never walked a mile inside my shoes. You hear my answer, but you don't know the pain that taught my heart to never trust the same. I'm not asking you to say that I'm always right. Just sit beside me and look through my eyes before you judge the choices that I made. Try to understand the price I had to pay. Come and see it my way, just for a moment today. You don't have to agree with every word I say. Just open your heart and see it my way. Come and see it my way before you turn and walk away. Maybe we can find some common ground if you see it my way. We built this wall from the things we never said. Every misunderstanding living in our heads. You call it pride when I'm protecting my soul. I call it healing when I'm taking things slow. Baby, your truth and mine can both belong. Two different verses in the very same song. We don't need anger to prove what we believe. Sometimes understanding is the victory we need if we trade our judgment for a little grace. Maybe love can meet us in the middle place. Come and see it my way, just for a moment today. You don't have to agree with every word I say. Just open your heart and see it my way. Come and see it my way before you turn and walk away. Maybe we can find some common ground if you see it my way. I'll see it your way if you look through mine. Let compassion lead us across the dividing line. No one sees the picture from every side, but together we can bring the hidden truth to light. The world has enough people shouting to be heard. What we need are hearts that listen to every word. So lower your weapon, lay your anger down. Peace begins wherever understanding can be found. See the tears behind the laughter, see the struggle underneath, see the chapters that came after, all the pages you could read. I am more than one decision, you are more than one mistake. Let us choose a clearer vision, give more love than what we take. One word but a million views, different roads and different shoes. You got your story, I've got mine, still our hearts beating the same time. No more fighting over who should win. Let understanding enter in. Come and see it my way, just for a moment today. You don't have to agree with every word I say. Just open your heart and see it my way, and I will see it your way. We don't have to turn away. Maybe we can build a better world when we meet each other halfway. See it my way, I'll see it your way. Different eyes but the same sunrise. Let love show us the way. Oh, South Africa, raise your colors to the sky, sound the horn. Vuvuzela. Na, 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 na. Vuvuzela. Morning sun upon the city, golden light across the land. People coming from the townships, flags and colors in their hands. From Johannesburg to Durban, from Cape Town to Limpopo, every voice becomes a rhythm. Let the joyful spirit flow. When the drum begins to call, we stand together, one and all. Feel the thunder, hear the sound, celebration all around. The vuvuzela, blow it loud, let it rise above the crowd. Vuvuzela, let it sing, feel the joy that music brings. Oh, Mandela's rainbow nation, dance as one in celebration. Vuvuzela, blow it strong, Africa, this is our song. Yeah, da, 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 da. Every street is filled with laughter, every heartbeat keeps the time. Young and old are dancing proudly, moving underneath the sunshine. Different languages and cultures Many stories, many names, but the rhythm brings us closer, and our hope remains the same. When the bass begins to roll, feel the music in your soul. Lift your hands and turn around. Unity is in the sound. Vuvuzela, blow it loud. Let it rise above the crowd. Vuvuzela, let it sing. Feel the joy that music brings. Oh, Mandela's Rainbow Nation, dance as one in celebration. Vuvuzela, blow it strong. Africa, this is our song. One beat, one heart, together from the start. One land, one dream, we're stronger as a team. No matter where you're from, there's room for everyone. Sound the horn of unity. Let the whole world hear. Vuvuzela, waza, waza, dance. Everybody raise your hands. From Soweto to the world, let the freedom flag unfurl. Reggae music, African pride, standing strong, side by side. Vuvuzela, blow it loud. Let it rise above the crowd. Vuvuzela, let it sing. Feel the joy that music brings. Oh, Mandela's Rainbow Nation, dance as one in celebration. Vuvuzela, blow it strong. Africa, this is our song. Vuvuzela, let the sound of freedom fly. Yeah. Vuvuzela, like a rainbow in the sky. One people, one celebration. Love across the nation.